Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis several times before. It's been a while since the last time I did it, but the last time I did do the analysis, I talked about this green line right here as support at $7. And to give credit where credit's due, I'll be honest, I didn't think that it would actually hold, but it did hold. And you can see right here several occasions the price came down there. It definitely flirted with that area, but ultimately it maintained itself. And after today's price movement, not even necessarily after today, looking over here at Tuesday's price movement, the price, again, jolted. Granted, it had that kind of nasty pullback right there. But again, it's kind of been a roller coaster. It's up here. And while the price has pulled back, it's still working on building higher bases. So GE is actually, I'm not going to call it a reversal or anything like that, but it's actually starting to put in some higher lows and higher highs, something that it hasn't done for a while. And really the easiest way to kind of judge the health of the current bounce, this being defined as from where it was here to where it is right now, quote unquote, the bounce. The easiest way to do that is just to watch the purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher as time goes by. So the very easy way to judge the health of the bounce, simply put, as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control of the current bounce. As weird as that sounds to say in regards to GE, but yeah, depending on how you define things, short term, medium term, the bulls are showing some strength, and as long as the price is above the purple line, then yeah, you got to start to give the bulls the benefit of the doubt for now. What about levels of resistance going forward? As far as where the sellers are now sitting at, seems to be right up here at the main point of price congestion at 787. So 787, public enemy number one going forward. But all in all, price is chipping away, starting to build higher bases. And as long as the price builds higher lows, then yeah, sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.